Dear students, welcome to today's class. Today I am going to explain the problems given from geometry, particularly from geometry problems which were given in the recent from 23rd to 29th JEE mains examination. So I will focus on the problems given from geometry. Okay now. So these geometry problems are very easy. Just to see the solutions how I am solving. Okay, don't skip this video. Don't skip this video. Just to watch the video, I am going to explain 5 basic, very important model problems. So these problems will be useful for your July attempt. Okay, na? So without wasting your valuable time, I am going to start my class. Let us start our class. Dear students, welcome to first problem. A circle C touches the lines L1 is equal to 4x minus 3y plus k1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 4x minus 3y plus k2 is equal to 0. See, if you observe, these two lines are parallel. 4x minus 3y, 4x minus 3y. There are two parallel lines are there. A circle C is touching both the lines, where k1 and k2 are real numbers. If a line passes through the center of this circle, intersects L1 at A minus 1 comma 2 and L2 at B 3 comma minus 6, then the equation of the circle is asking. Okay, so the question is a very easy and solution is also very easy. First of all, you have to draw the diagram. Here there are two parallel lines are there. Yes, very good. So there are two parallel lines. So the first equation is 4x minus 3y plus k1 is equal to 0. Another equation is 4x minus 3y plus k2 is equal to 0. If a line passes through the center of, first of all, another circle is there, it touches both the lines. Yes, it touches both the lines. Okay na? Right. And one more thing it is given, if a line passes through the center of the circle, intersects L1 at A. That means this is the center of the circle. If a line passes through the center of the circle, intersects the first line at A. A is equal to how much? Minus 1 comma 2 and B is equal to how much? Second line 3 comma minus 6. So that is the given data. So we have to find out the equation of the circle. Okay, so to find out the equation of this circle, we should know the center and the radius. Okay, so immediately we can find out the center. Why? The midpoint of AB will become the center. We have the property, the midpoint of AB. So you, between two parallel lines, if a circle is there touching both the sides, both the lines, then the midpoint of AB will become the center of the circle. So what is the center of the circle? Center is midpoint is minus 1 plus 3. 2 by 2, 1. What is 2 minus 6? Minus 4 by 2, minus 2. Minus 1 plus 3. So this is the center. So we got the center. Then how to find out the radius? Radius is nothing but half of this. So if you find out the distance between the parallel lines, then half of that distance will become the radius. Then how to find out the distance? We don't know the values of k1 and k2. Yes, it is clearly that the point A lies on the line 4x minus 3y plus k1 is equal to 0. So then you substitute that. So that is minus 1 comma 2 lies on 4x minus 3y plus k1 is equal to 0. Substitute here minus 4 minus 6 plus k1 is equal to 0. This implies k1 is equal to 10. So therefore, what is your equation? 4x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Call it as equation number 1. The point B 3 comma minus 6 lies on the second line. That is equal to 3 comma minus 6 lies on. So what is the second line? Substitute directly. 4 into 3 minus 3 into minus 6 plus k2 is equal to 0. 12 plus 18 plus k2 is equal to 0. So what is your k2? So this is minus 30. Therefore, what is your second equation? 4x minus 3y minus 30 is equal to 0. So this is the second line equation. Okay now. So what is the distance between these two parallel lines? We have the formula. So this is equal to D is equal to modulus of C1 minus C2. C1 minus C2, that is 10 minus of minus 30, 10 plus 30, 40 by under square root of 16 plus 9, that is equal to 40 by 16 plus 9, 25, 25, 5. So this is equal to 8. So therefore D is equal to 8 we got. Right. Therefore, what is the radius? R is equal to 4. This is the radius of the circle. Therefore, what will be the equation? You know the center, you know the radius. What will be the equation of this circle? So, x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to 4 square. So, what will be the final answer? X square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y plus, so here 1 plus 4, 5 minus 8, 5 minus 16, that is minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay now, 5 minus 16, that is 5 minus 16, this is 11. So, minus 11 it will be the equation of the circle. Okay now, so the problem is a very easy. The first thing is immediately you can find out the center. So to find out the distance between the parallel lines, I substituted here, I got k1, I substituted 3 comma minus 6, I got k2, I found out the distance between the parallel lines. Half of the distance will give the radius. So I know the center and I know the radius, I got the equation of the circle. Okay now, so very easy solution. I hope that you understand this solution. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to second problem. The vertex of a parabola is 2 comma minus 1 and the equation of the lattice rectum is 4x minus 3y minus 21 is equal to 0. Then the length of the lattice rectum is. I hope that everybody will do this problem. Such a easy problem is given. So I think all these 9 lakh students will do this problem. The thing is here it is given that there is a parabola. So what is the parabola? Equation is not given. So this is a vertex. It is given 2 comma minus 1 and he is given the equation of the lattice rectum. We know the lattice rectum is passes through the focus and perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. Okay. Now he is asked to find out the length of the lattice rectum. Very easy. Very easy. So what is the length of the lattice rectum? 4a. So total length is equal to 4a. We know the distance between the vertex and the focus is a. We know the distance between the vertex and the focus is a. Vertex and focus. And it is also given equation of this lattice rectum. 4x minus 3y minus 21 is equal to 0. So what is the distance? A is nothing but the perpendicular distance from 2 comma minus 1 upon the line 4x minus 3y minus 21. So what is the perpendicular distance formula? We know that modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon root of a square plus b square. So that is equal to 4 2s are 8. So plus 3 minus 21 upon square root of 16 plus 9. So therefore a is equal to 8 plus 3, 11. 11 minus 21 minus 10. So of course modulus is there, 10 by 5. This is equal to 2. Okay now. So what is the length of the lattice rectum? L. This is 4. 4 into 2. This is equal to 8. So this is just like a board level problem. It is given a board level problem, but this problem is given in 28th June 2022. Okay. So I hope that everybody will do this problem. Okay. So let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to third problem. One of the diameter of the circle x minus root 2 whole square plus y minus 3 root 2 whole square is equal to 6 is a chord of another circle, that is x minus 2 root 2 whole square plus y minus 2 root 2 whole square is equal to r square. Then find the value of r is. So these model problems are giving almost every equation, every examination. this type of model problems you are getting. Okay, so in some examinations these model problems are given. So just to go through this model problem. Okay, so first see, first of all there is a circle. Yes, it is a circle, it is there, it is a circle. Okay, so this circle, the diameter is there. So this is the diameter, one of the diameter is the chord of another circle. So this is another circle, chord of another circle. So this is the chord of another circle. So this is A and it is B. What is AB? AB is the chord of the another circle. Now we have to find out the radius of this circle, radius of this circle. Okay, now, right. So let us see the, first of all, this first circle x minus 2 root 2 whole square plus y minus 3 root 2 whole square is equal to 6 is there. Now, we know the center and the radius. What will be the center? Center is equal to how much? See, this is a root 2 comma 3 root 2. What is the radius? This is root 6. Root 6 will be the radius. We know the center of the second circle. So what is the center of the second circle? 2 root 2 comma 2 root 2. So this is the center of the second circle. We have to find out this radius. You call it as B. So ABC is a triangle. In this triangle, so we know only one quantity, ready-made AC. So first we will find out BC. After finding BC, we will find out AB. Very easy problem. So what is the length of BC? So BC is given by under square root of x2 minus x1, that is equal to 2 root 2 minus root 2, that is root 2 whole square is 2 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 root 2, that is root 2 whole square is 2. So that is equal to 2 plus 2 4, this is equal to 2. Okay, now, so here it is a Pythagoras theorem. So we have r square is equal to, so this is a 6 plus 4, r is equal to root 10. Root 10 is your right answer. Okay, so this type of model problems are also of occasionally they are asking in the examination. Okay, so very easy. And this since AB is a chord, so the line joining these centers will be perpendicular to the diameter chord. Okay, now, so that property we have. Using that property, I solved this problem. Okay, now, so I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Dear students, welcome to fourth problem. Find the eccentricity of locus of midpoint of line segment joining 4, 3 to each point on the ellipse x square by 4 plus y square by 2 is equal to 1. Okay. So the problem is first to try to understand this. First of all, here there is an ellipse is there. Yes, it is an ellipse. Okay. So what is the ellipse equation? X square by 4 plus y square by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, a square is equal to 4 and b square is equal to 2. Therefore, a is equal to 2, b is equal to root 2. Clear? Okay. Now, there is a line segment joining 4, 3. So first of all, 4, 3 is a point 4, 3. So we have to decide whether it lies inside or outside. So if you substitute here in the S11, so you will get a, that means here 16 by 4 plus 9 by 2 minus 1. It is a positive value. Definitely the point lies outside the circle. Let it call it as A, outside the ellipse. Okay, right. Now he is saying the line segment joining each point. That means there are infinite number of points are on there on the ellipse. So join these points, join all these points. Definitely there will be a midpoint for each line segment. So we have to find out the locus of the midpoint of the eccentricity of the locus of the midpoint. So there will be a curve will come, no? So definitely there will be a curve. You have to find out the eccentricity of that curve. First we will find out the equation of the curve. Afterwards we will find out the eccentricity. So, so here we don't know the point B point, but we can find out the general point. What is the general point on the ellipse of B is equal to A cos theta comma B sin theta. So this is given by 2 cos theta comma root 2 sin theta. Okay. Let h comma k be the midpoint of the line segment AB. So let H comma K be the point in the locus. Then what AB, midpoint of AB is nothing but H comma K. What is the midpoint of AB? So your H comma K. So your H is given by the midpoint of 2 cos theta comma root 2 sin theta comma 4. So this is given by root 2 cos theta. So this is a 2 cos theta plus 4 by 2. So your K value is given by, so root 2 sin theta plus 3 by 2. Okay, so clear. So from this what can you say? Your cos theta. So therefore H is equal to cos theta plus 2. So what is your cos theta is equal to H minus 2. Okay now. So here what is your sin theta? Sin theta is equal to 2k minus 3 by root 2. Okay, so you got two equations in cos theta and sin theta, so you have to eliminate theta. Okay, you have to find out the locus, so you have to eliminate sin theta, cos theta. So obviously sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, then squaring and adding. So what you will get ultimately H minus 2 whole square plus 2k minus 3 by root 2 whole square is equal to 1. Okay, na? So this is the equation of the locus. Okay, so let us try to write it in the some standard form. So this is equal to H minus 2 whole square plus, so you can take 2 common outside, 2 times k minus 3 by 2 by whole square is there, no? Whole square means 2 whole square is equal to 2. So this is still H minus 2 whole square. So this is equal to 4 into k minus 3 by 2 whole square by 2 is equal to 1. So ultimately H minus 2 whole square by 1 square plus k minus 3 by 2 whole square by 2 ones are 2 2s are will get cancelled. This is a 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So this is a equation of the ellipse. So what is the locus? Equation of the ellipse. So this is a H minus 2 whole square by 1 square plus k minus 3 by 2 whole square by 1. So this is a square value, b square value. Now we are going to find out the eccentricity of this locus. We know the eccentricity formula. Okay, so let us continue our solution. So dear students, welcome to the remaining solution. So we have to find out the eccentricity of this ellipse. Clearly it is an ellipse. So therefore eccentricity is equal to E is equal to root of 1 minus b square by a square. So what is the smaller one? 1 by 2 whole square. Sorry, this is only a square by b square. So this is equal to root of 1 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. This is a 1 by root 2. Therefore what is the eccentricity of the locus? Is nothing but 1 by root 2. So the problem is a very easy one. The first thing is you have to find out the general point a cos theta comma b sin theta. Afterwards taking h comma k, and you will get the locus is nothing. Locus is the equation of the ellipse. After getting the ellipse, you know the root of 1 minus b square by x, smaller number by bigger number. Okay, na? So that is the answer. So I hope that you understand this solution. It's a very easy problem and everybody can do this type of solution. The only thing is first you have to draw the clear cut diagram for each and every problem and represent the data whatever it is given in the diagram. Then you think over the solution. Okay, na? So different solutions will come in your mind. So I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. So dear students, welcome to fifth problem. If vertex of a parabola is 5, 4 and the directrix is 3x plus y minus 29 is equal to 0 and x square plus ay square plus bxy plus cx plus dy plus e is equal to 0 represents the equation of the parabola, then the value of a plus b plus c plus d plus e value is how much? Okay, so very easy problem it is, even though it looks like somewhat tedious or difficult, but the solution is a very easy. First thing is you represent whatever may be the data given in a diagram. So here basically one parabola is there. So this is the directrix and it is the focus and it is the vertex and it is the foot of the perpendicular from the focus to the directrix. So here first it is given vertex. Vertex is 5, 4. vertex is given. Equation of the directrix is given. How much equation of the directrix is? 3x plus y minus 29 is equal to 0. First, I want to find out the equation of the parabola. Okay, so after finding the equation of the parabola, I will compare that equation with the given equation so that I will get the values of a plus b plus c plus d plus e. Okay, now. So, to find out the equation of the parabola, first of all, what is the basic definition? So, let px comma y be any point on the parabola. So, therefore, we have sp by pm. So, this is a sp by pm is equal to eccentricity. Definition of conic. So, sp by pm for parabola eccentricity value is 1, that is equal to sp is equal to pm. So, pm value we can find out easily. What is the perpendicular distance formula? So, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. But what about sp? Sp means you have to find out the value of s. If you know the value of s, the problem is almost over. The only thing is to find out the value of the focus, coordinates of the focus, right? For that, we have various methods to. If you know the coordinates of a, that is the foot of the perpendicular from s to a, the problem is over. For that, various method we can find out. We can find out the foot of the perpendicular from v to a. Like that also we can find out. Otherwise, you can find the equation of the axis. Since the directrix and axis are both are perpendicular, so what is the equation of the axis? What will be the equation of the axis? Directly foot of the perpendicular is also you can find out. So, let us go like that also you can find out. So, here I will approach this method. So, this is equal to, this is equal to this. So, that x minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. X minus 3y plus k is equal to 0. So, both are, since both are perpendicular. So, it is passing through the point 5 comma 4. So, this is equal to 5 minus 12 plus k is equal to 0. Therefore, this implies k is equal to 7. So, what is the equation of the axis? X minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So, you call it as equation number 1 and you call it as equation number 2. If you solve 1 and 2, you will get the vertex A. So, solving 1 and 2, what you will get the equation of the vertex as 8 comma 5. 8 comma 5. Solve 1 and 2, you will get the vertex. Solve 1 and 2. Okay. So, this is 8 plus 7, 15, 3 5s are 15. So, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 5, 29, 29 minus 29 is equal to 0. So, this we got 8 comma 5. Okay. Now, what are the coordinates of the focus? S. So, S is, let us call it as some h comma k. So, h comma k. So, the midpoint of AS is nothing but the vertex, right. So, therefore, that is given by h plus 8 by 2 is equal to 5. Therefore, h is equal to 2. Again, k plus 5 by 2 is equal to 4. Therefore, k is equal to 3. Therefore, the S is given by 2 comma 3. Okay now, right. So, after getting 2 comma 3, then we will going to find out the equation of the parabola by applying the condition SP is equal to PM. Okay. So, let us continue our solution. Dear students, welcome to the remaining solution. So, we know that SP is equal to PM. So, this implies SP square is equal to PM square. So, that is nothing but x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to modulus of means 3x plus y minus 29 whole square by, so root over 9 plus 110. Since we are squaring, we can write down 10. Okay now. So, then cross multiply this 10 times x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square minus of 3x plus y minus 29 whole square is equal to 0. So, this is the equation of the parabola. Okay, but the given equation of the parabola is this: x square plus ay square plus bxy plus cx plus dy plus c. So both are same, both are same. So actually speaking, what you have to do? So you have to expand this equation, you have to write it in this form, and comparing the coefficients you have to get. But if you observe, what you have to find out? A plus b plus c plus d e. That means if you substitute in place of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, what happens? You see, 1 plus a plus b plus c plus d plus e. You are getting it or not? So that means these two equations are same. These two equations are same. You can compare these two equations. That means e is equal to this is a x square plus ay square plus bxy plus cx plus dy plus e. Both equations are same. It is given in the problem. This we found, just now we found. So put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 in these equations. You see what happens. So this is equal to 10 times 1 minus 2 whole square, that is a 1 plus 1 minus 3 whole square, that is minus 2 whole square, 4. So this is 3 times 3 plus 1, 4 minus 29 minus 25 minus, so 625. 625 is equal to, so this is 1 plus a plus b plus c plus d plus e. Substitute here. Okay. So we want this value. So if you simplify this, 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 means 50. So minus 625, if you substitute on the whole, so you will get a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus 1 is equal to minus 575. Okay, now 1 plus 4, 550, 50 minus 625 is 575, and your a plus b plus c plus d plus e is nothing but minus 566, minus 576. Okay, so here the logic is substitute 1 comma 1, you will get the answer. Don't expand this, don't expand it, and don't try to write it in the form of x square plus ay square plus bxy plus cx plus dy. So it takes a lot of time. If you do go and just have an idea that you want a plus b plus c plus de, there a plus b plus c plus d. That means if you substitute 1 and 1, the answer will come. Okay, na? So these are very, very easy and nice problem it is. Just the only thing is finding the focus and finding the equation of the parabola and comparing the parabola equation with the given equation. Okay, na? So I hope that students, today class you enjoyed a lot, and in the tomorrow's class, and I am going to explain the problems given from the calculus chapter. Okay, na? So total branch of calculus. So I am coming with some interesting problems which were given in the recent JEE men's examination. Okay, so until then, bye.